Dengan segala hormatnya, dipersilakan Joanne Sorawian dari SJKC Kota Tampan untuk membentangkan kajian bertajuk Raw or Meow 2.0 Elevate the Game in Improving Level 2 People's Understanding of Singular and Plural Nouns.
Good day, dear judges. I am Miss Joanne from SJKC Kota Tampan, and today I will be presenting my innovation with title Roll or Meow. So let me introduce you to what is Roll or Meow. So Roll or Meow is the second generations for the game card. So the first generation will be the S, which also focus on singular and plural noun. So after written wise and improvisations and after tests in different school and with pupils and receive feedback, here come the second generations with the new name and brand new interface, Raw or Meow. So this will be the game card. The game card is very easy to understand. There will be word cards, this one on the left, and will be attack cards. This time I added attack cards so that the pupils will feel very thrilled and excited when they play the game. Next, I'll explain further on the game cards and how it works. So these will be the rule books. The rule books will be given in every set of game cards. So by the end of the game, the winner will be decide whether they are the king of roar or kitty meow meow at the end of the game. So the player have to collect as much word cards as possible. So to start is very easy. So they have to separate word cards and attack cards from the card piles. Okay, so and put on the table. So after improvisation, so the game card is more interesting. Okay, so first, each player will start with 5 word cards with the card facing downwards. So the player will not know which word that they get. Okay, so next, the attack card piles will be put on the table. So player will get one attack card when they successfully say and spell the plural word stick on the opponent's head. So you look at number 3. So every round, the player will stick the word, one of the word card that they got on their head. So they don't know the word that they got. They only can see their opponent's card. So after the teachers as coordinators say 1, 2, 3, the pupils have to say the plural word of the word cards that stick on the first pupil. So the rounds go by depends on the number of players. Go from player number 1, player number 2 until player number 5. So winner of the game will be the one have the most word cards and attack cards on hand. So the game will end when there is no more attack cards. So there is only 15 attack card on the pile. So pupils have to compete on the speed and they have to spell out the word. So I've investigated the issues in singular and plural nouns. So that's why I invented these second generations of innovations that targeted purposely on singular and plural verbs. So for this one, I also gave my pupils worksheets. I noticed that the issues still haven't resolved yet. So from the first worksheet, the pupils only got 7 correct, 2 correct, 11 correct. And worksheet number 2 and worksheet number 3 is after I carried out the game card with them. So I call it as interventions, as if accent research to determine whether these second generations of word card effective, so I've shared with my mother and my friends that are currently teaching in primary school to test the effectiveness or whether the game card can target different pupil from different level. Because my school is low enrollment school, so I want to determine whether this word card is effective in a bigger classroom, different level of understanding, different level of proficiency among the pupils. So I gave the Google form as feedback collection. So the question is very easy. So the game card is effective. So explaining the concept. So I think the most important of this innovation game card is to convey or make our pupils understand how to use singular and plural words. Another important aspect that I targeted through this improvised innovation would be, will this game card able to activate pupils' interest in learning the language? Because some grammar rules are very difficult to explain to our primary level pupils. So in improvising this second generation game card, I look into coherent, connectionist models and imagining research. Okay, suggests that the area of prefrontal cortex is particularly involved in the maintenance of task demands, which where it relates to our brain in memorizing important events. So in improvising this, I use the game where the pupils have to compete on their speed. When they look at the word, they can straight away say the plural words. For the case that teacher already introduced about singular and plurals, and they have given a rule cards where the singular and plural grammar rules. So this one will activate and make the pupils more alert during the game and make them remember more and easier for them to remember the rules without they knowing throughout the game, throughout the process. Next, we will look into how this game being played and how interesting it is. 1, 2, 3.
Tomatoes. Tomatos. Tomatoes.
Wrong. 十月
Oranges.
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Tomatoes. Pineapples.
Correct.
Corners.
1, 2, 3. Start.
Cars. Cars. Cars.
1, 2, 3. Start.
Sheep. Sheeps. Sheep.
That's all from me, and this is my innovation, Roar or Meow. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih kepada Joanne Sorawian atas pembentangan sebentar tadi. Sesi soal jawab selama 5 minit akan diadakan sejurus selepas pembentangan. Sila kemukakan soalan melalui chat box YouTube.
Wave Beats Music.